I'm going to explore the main animal groups. And this here is my partner,
Cody Osborne. Here we're talking about animals and the beautiful species of life. Alright, today we're going to talk about these beautiful animals, fish. They come in all sizes, all beautiful colors, and they live in just about every waterway in the world. Okay, the thing about fish is that they're cold-blooded, and all fish live in water. They have these organs called gills that allow them to bring oxygen from the surrounding water into their bloodstream. They're not like us, they don't have lungs. So they rely on swimming back and forth with streamlined bodies covered in beautiful scales that allow them to get from place to place, and they don't have legs. They have these things called fins, pectoral fins, dorsal fins, and tail fins that allow them to glide through the water and blend in with their environment. Alright, now a fish looks like this. And fish also have scales that look like this. They don't look like this. Alright, we got mammals here. They're beautiful little creatures just like us. They have fur all over their bodies or some sort of hair. Alright, these little creatures, they're all warm-blooded. So that they have a wonderful ability that they don't need their environment to be really, really warm, really, really cold. They can survive either way. Now, these right here, these are hamsters. The thing about them is you'll notice that if you have anything in your kitchen, in your cereal box, a rat, they're just like those. Hamsters, or any mammal, give birth to live young. And they nurse them for a period of time, usually through milk. Now, there are other mammals, such as whales, that live in the ocean. They don't have 4 limbs, but they do still produce milk for their young. So, we've got another beautiful animal here. We've got birds. The thing about the birds is that they all have feathers, wings, and 2 legs. But not all birds can fly. They vary in all kinds of different sizes and colors. There are some birds who are just black and white and bland, but there are some beautiful, beautiful rainbow-colored birds called the birds of paradise, usually found in the Galapagos Islands. Now, the thing about birds is that they're warm-blooded, and they have these mouthparts called bills or beaks. Another thing about birds is not all of them have feathers meant to fly. There are some birds, large as ostriches. You know, I'm sure everybody's seen an ostrich. They could run horribly fast. Roadrunner runs fast. We all know the roadrunner when you see a coyote chasing it. Now, also, some birds, like penguins, use their feathers as a wetsuit to fly underneath the water and swim around. So you know when you see a little pal in a tuxedo that they're a swimming bird.
the next animal group we're going to be discussing is reptiles. That's right. Look at me buddy here. He's a tortoise. He's also a reptile. You know what reptiles are? They have dry, scaly skin. You know what other things are reptiles? Snakes, crocodiles, alligators. They're all reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded. They like warm climates because they can regulate their body temperature, all right? We have another big surprise for you all today. We have amphibians. Do you know what an amphibian is? It's things like frogs, newts, salamanders. They live in or near water, and some are harmless. But did you know the most poisonous animal out there is the golden dart frog? It can kill 10,000 mice, and that makes 10 to 20 humans.
Ugly little buggers, aren't they? And you know exactly what I'm talking about. Insects. wonderful little creatures. They have a hard exoskeleton called a carapace. They're usually cold-blooded, warm-tempered environments, and they're a vital part of the ecosystem. Not only do insects provide wonderful pots of food for the rest of the animals, usually at the bottom of the food chain, they're also scavengers that clean up the environment, and they help pollinate the plants all around us to help get the environment spread around. But they also have sensory organs called antennae or feelers that allow them to examine their environment around them. They also usually have 6 legs and multifaceted eyes that allow them to see at multiple angles.
And that was our animal groups.
The more you know. Good day, mates.
Good day.
Beautiful, beautiful little animal.
Ready?
This is a mammal.
Go.
Ow! Yeah, they bite.
Good day, mates. Today, we're going to think is about reptiles. Look at me buddy here. He's a toad. He's a tortoise. I was a turtle. The next animal group called amphibians. Y'all know what? We have amphibians. Y'all know what an amphibian is, right? They live in or near water. And they...
And we can eat them too. Cockroach.
I always imagine angels look like that in real life.
I think they'll let you pick them up.
Just say you can't take them.